everyone, today I wanted to share all of our toddler pre-K learning folders. So I used these with my son when he was around 18 months, and now I'm using them with my daughter who's now at a similar age. To begin with, I wanted to say that some of these are things that I made myself, but most of the material you will see here are things I found for free online or things that I bought from teacherspayteachers.com or TPT. There are also 3 toddler or pre-K learning folders that I bought from Jady, but again, that was purchased from TPT. I'll leave links in the description box below. I did these a few years ago, so I don't remember all the places I bought or found these from. Usually, these things have site information at the bottom of the pages, but I have a tendency to white out those because I didn't want my son to be distracted by them. So usually I laminate everything for durability and use Velcro. And sometimes I use clear Velcro so the images or writings aren't covered. I really like using these learning folders with my kids. They're great conversation starters and help to develop literacy and early math skills, work on developing hand-eye coordination, shape recognition, color recognition, and body parts, and they're also a great way to improve and work on visual discrimination skills. When I started doing these with my kids, I only gave them a sheet or 2, but soon after they would ask for the whole binder and just keep going through them.